Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to make Snapchat dark mode on Android. So first you have to go on your settings of your mobile. Now go to here on your display mode. Then you can see there is a dark theme or dark mode. So turn it on. So go back and open your Snapchat app. Go to your profile, tap on settings, scroll down, and here is a option as app appearance. Now tap on it and tap on always dark mode. Tap on restart now. So now you can see your Snapchat on dark mode. So this is how you can make Snapchat dark mode on Android. So this video helped you guys. Then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.